Hey guys, this looks like a fun one. We're given 9 squares in a rectangle. One of the squares has an area of 16, and it wants us to find the area of this purple square. How are we going to do this? If you want to try it on your own, pause it right now, because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1. First, let's write a formula for what we're trying to solve. We want to find the area of this purple square, so let's give it side lengths of x and x. So the area we're trying to solve will be equal to x squared. This looks important. Let's put a box around it. First, let's focus on these 4 squares. They're all going to be the same size as this purple square. So all of these sides of all 4 of the squares are going to be equal to x. Next, let's focus on this square right here. Since this is x and this is x, this square has side lengths of 2x. So the top will be 2x and this left side will be 2x. Next, let's focus on the upper left square. This piece of this side is going to be equal to 2x. This remaining portion will be the side of this pink square, which is going to be equal to 4, because 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So that means this side of the square will be equal to 2x plus 4, and the top and the bottom as well. We're just cruising along here. Now we can do the bottom left square. This piece is 2x plus 4. This is 4. Which means this is going to be 2x plus 8. This will also be 2x plus 8, and this will also be 2x plus 8. And now we're done with this square. And then for this square on the bottom right, this is 2x plus 8. This will be 4, which means the whole side lengths of this square will be 2x plus 12. And now we have everything labeled in terms of this x. Since this is a rectangle, the length of the top will equal the length of the bottom. So we can say 2x plus 4 plus 2x plus x, and that'll be equal to 2x plus 8 plus 2x plus 12. Right now we have x's and whole numbers on each side. Let's rearrange things a little bit to combine like terms. On the left-hand side, we have 2x plus x plus x. All of those will combine to give us 6x. And then on the right-hand side, we have 2x plus 2x to give us 4x, and 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. Enhance. Next, let's get all the x's to one side. We can subtract 4x from both sides. And let's move this over here by subtracting 4 from both sides. 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x, and these are going to cancel each other out. On the right-hand side, these are going to cancel each other out, and 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Let's smush everything together and divide both sides by 2. And that'll give us x is equal to 8. And now we have the value of the side length of our purple square. Let's clean all this up, and in the place of this x, let's plug in 8. 8 squared is equal to 64, and we can give it a label of square units. And this is the answer to our question. In this given rectangle made up of 9 squares, the purple square has an area of 64 square units. How exciting.